Hello, exceptionals. Great to have you back. Time is like a bank account where every day 86,400 seconds are deposited. You can spend them wisely on things that bring value or waste them on distractions. But at midnight, whatever is unused disappears forever. The difference between success and regret is how you choose to invest your daily deposit. Welcome to Excel, the place where the exceptionals come to get better every day. Let me start by sharing a tale of two entrepreneurs, Daniel and Alex. Daniel and Alex are two ambitious entrepreneurs who started their businesses at the same time. Both had the same 24 hours in a day, the same drive for success, and the same challenges. But 5 years later, Daniel was burned out, drowning in unfinished tasks, while Alex had built a thriving business, had free time for family, and was still growing. What made the difference? Daniel worked hard, but was always reacting. He was constantly busy, but never seemed to get ahead, answering emails all day, attending endless meetings, and putting out fires from his business. His to-do list never ended, and he always felt behind. Alex worked smart. Instead of drowning in business, he focused on the 7 time management secrets we will cover here today. He didn't just work hard, he worked on the right things, used right systems, and know how to manage his time like an ultra productive person. Which one do you relate to most, Daniel or Alex? Stick with me, my friends, as I share the 7 exact strategies that helped Alex win the game of time. Have you ever felt like Daniel, working all day but feeling unproductive? If yes, please type it in the comments. We'd like to learn and share and grow together. Secret number 1, the 80-20 rule. Work smarter, not harder. It might sound like a cliche, but it's not. This concept of 80-20 rule says that 80% of results come from 20% of effort. Ultra productive people identify the 20% of tasks that bring the biggest result and eliminate or delegate the rest. In a sense, they focus on the things that really move the needle. So what are you going to do? Write down your top 10 tasks for the week. Identify the 2 tasks out of the 10 that will create the biggest impact. Focus on them first before anything else. Secret number 2, time blocking, where you control your day like a boss. Instead of working reactively, ultra productive people plan their day in time blocks, dedicating specific hours to deep work, meetings, and personal time. For example, Elon Musk schedules his entire day in 5 minute slots. Very creative. You can as well do that. So, what action will you take here? Plan your day in 60 to 90 minutes work blocks. Set alarms or use your Google Calendar to remind yourself to switch tasks. And include buffer time for breaks and unexpected tasks, because sometimes life happens. Secret number 3, the Pomodoro technique. Beat procrastination with timed focus. This concept encourages us to work in focus sprints, say 25 to 45 minutes at a stretch, with short breaks to keep energy high and avoid burnout. It makes big tasks feel smaller and trains your brain to focus deeply. Your action step here is to set a timer for 25 to 45 minutes and work intensely within those space of time. Then take a 5 to 10 minutes break and repeat. Use tools like Forest app or Pomodoro to really achieve this. Secret number 4, the 2-minute rule. Instantly reduce small tasks. This particular secret says if a task takes less than 2 minutes, do it right now. Do it immediately instead of adding it to your to-do list. It works because it prevents more tasks from piling up. For example, if you need 2 minutes to reply to a quick email, why not do it now? To fill a document, do it right now instead of putting it into your to-do list. To wash dish, do it right now if you can take just 2 minutes. So your action step here is for you for the next 24 hours. Apply the 2-minute rule. Watch how much you clear off your plate. Secret number 5, saying no. Mastering boundaries like a pro. Ultra productive people say no more than they say yes to distractions and low value tasks. How do you do this without feeling guilt? Learn to say polite no. For example, you can say, I'd love to, but I'm fully booked this week. I'm fully booked right now. Or you can offer an alternative. You can say, I can't do this right now, but I can help you with XYZ instead. You can also learn to set rules for yourself. For example, you can say, no meetings before noon, deep work in the morning. And everybody respects your boundaries. Your action step here is to identify one thing you need to say no to this week and actually say it. Secret number 6, the one thing method, where you prioritize what truly matters. Instead of juggling 10 tasks at once, ultra productive people focus on the one thing that moves them closer to success. For example, Bill Gates and Warren Buffett both attribute their successes to focusing on one major goal at a time, and you and I can as well apply that. How will you do that? Ask yourself, what's the one thing I can do today that makes everything else easier or unnecessary? Work on that one thing first before distraction takes over. And finally, secret number 7, the night before planning, where you are meant to win tomorrow today. High productive people start their day with clarity. They plan the night before, so they wake up ready to go. This particular secret will help you eliminate decision fatigue and morning stress. So what are you going to do? Before bed, write down the top 3 priorities for tomorrow, when and where you will work on them, any obstacles you might face, and how to handle them. So my exceptional friends, time is the one thing we can never get back. You don't need more time. You just need better ways to use it. So which side of the story will you choose? Daniel's always overwhelmed or Alex's in control? The decision is yours. Here is a recap of the 7 secrets so that we can drive home the points better. The 80-20 rule. Focus on high impact tasks. 2, time blocking. Plan your day in advance. 3, Pomodoro technique. Work in focus sprints. 4, 2-minute rule. Do quick tasks instantly. 5, saying no. Protect your time. 6, the one thing. Prioritize what matters most. And 7, night before planning. Set yourself up for success. I want to help you take action, my friends. So here is my challenge for you. For the next 7 days, pick one of these secrets and fully commit to it. At the end of the week, drop a comment on this video about how it worked for you. I'll be reading and replying to your comments. And as an extra for you, there's a time management cheat sheet inside this video that you can download to help you start mastering your time. So tell me, which of these time management secrets are you going to try first? Do you have your own productivity hack? Share it in the comments. I would like to know. If you got value from this video, like, share, and subscribe for more self-improvement and leadership improvement hacks. Check out this next video we recommend you watch next. Until we see you again in our next video, stay blessed.